Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, May 16th. The Zen story today is titled The Rider and the Horse. The dust rose in thick clouds as the horse galloped down the dirt path. Its rider, a young man named Hiro, clung tightly to the reins, his heart pounding with the rhythm of hooves against the earth. The wind tore through his hair. His body swayed with every jolt. Faster, faster, faster. But something was wrong. Hiro wasn't steering. His hands gripped the reins, but he wasn't the one choosing the direction. The horse was moving on its own, charging forward as if possessed by something greater than itself. He swallowed hard, glancing at the unfamiliar trees rushing past. Where was he going? Ahead, an old farmer stood at the edge of the road watching. As Hiro approached, the farmer cupped his hands around his mouth and shouted, "Where you going?" Hiro barely had time to think before the words tumbled out. "I don't know. Ask the horse." The farmer's laughter rang out behind him as Hiro disappeared down the path. The road stretched on. The horse did not slow. The landscape blurred. Hiro gritted his teeth. He had been riding for so long, so fast, that he had never stopped to ask himself, had he ever been the one leading? Slowly, he loosened his grip. He took a deep breath, and for the first time, he pulled the reins, not out of panic, not out of habit, but with intention. The horse hesitated. Hiro pulled again. This time, the horse slowed. The dust settled. The trees no longer rushed past in a blur. And as the world came into focus again, Hiro realized the horse had never been in control. He had just never tried to stop it. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes. Take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. See if you can be here in this moment, just as it is. When thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Where in your life are you moving forward without questioning where you're going? Where in your life are you moving forward without questioning where you're going? What happens when you stop and take the reins? What happens when you stop and take the reins? Where in your life you're doing something just because it's the way you've always done it? Where in your life you're doing something just because it's the way you've always done it? How does it feel to realize that? And does this realization change anything? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And I also invite you to pop into our private circle group to see those reflections written down. Maybe it will stir something new. And also, there will be some practical moments of Zen that I encourage you to try on. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.